Hey, thanks for joining my channel again. This is a really quick unboxing video. This is from a company that I know pretty well now, and a product I really like and know really well. It's from a company called Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. Their products are really easy to install, they're inexpensive, and they work fantastic. I'm not just saying that. I mean, I've literally used these things in 2 other vehicles, and this will be the 3rd vehicle I'm putting it on. I had it in a Jeep JK, I've had it in a Dodge Ram, and now I'm putting it in my brand new Jeep Gladiator. So without further ado, let's dive into this box that they sent me, and let's check out what we got. Because I want to be able to mount my cell phone, of course. I want to be able to mount my GoPro, a tablet. I want to do like a radio. There's a whole bunch of different things I want to do, so I just called them up and said, what do I need to fulfill all these things I just said? And they said, Lee, we've got you covered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little quick unboxing video. I'll do an install video a little bit later on because it's freezing outside. It's like the middle of February. I'm in my garage and it's freezing. Excuse my French. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do an unboxing video first so we can see all the goodies that we got, all the different things that Bulletpoint makes, so we can kind of go through it together, and then we'll have a really good understanding of what's going to go into the Jeep Gladiator once I get this thing installed, and we'll see where we want it and how it goes. But yeah, so I'll probably put up some visuals here so we can all see what this company makes. If you're unfamiliar with this company, I'll of course have a link in the video somewhere where you can go check out their website. And again, I've dealt with these guys, this is the 3rd time now, and nothing but professional. Their customer service has been great. I've called them on the phone. I've like Facebook messaged them when I had questions about different mounting solutions that I wanted to do with this new Jeep, and they've been great. They answered all my questions, and this came pretty damn quick. So without further ado, let's dive into it here, and we'll do some illustrations like I said, and then we'll get into the box and actually what you get. Thanks. All right, so let's open up this bad boy, see what we got here. I suck at unboxing videos, so bear with me here as we open this up together and see what's in this guy. Well, we got brown paper, that's always good. Holy jeez. We got swag. Got swag. I always like swag. Holy jeez. All right. I ordered a lot. I'm just gonna say this off the bat. I've got a lot going to this new Jeep. I mean, this Jeep was like a lot of money. So I thought I'm gonna have it for a while. Let's outfit this with the best stuff. And I'm not lying to you, this Bulletpoint solution stuff is freaking phenomenal. All right, so it looks like that goes on the rack. Get an overview of all the stuff. Oh, there's 2 of those. Okay. Okay, what we got in here? Designed in Toledo, Ohio. Cool. Okay. Again, I'll have to hopefully put like little things, little text up to say what these are. Craftsmanship, this is why I bought their stuff. The craftsmanship for these guys is phenomenal. If I can close the box, that would be, there we go. All right. Oh, sweet Jesus. Look at that. That is freaking phenomenal. Beautiful. Look at the arms. Like the arms are really nice, really nicely done. Sizing, I think it's pretty good. Oh, smaller arm. Much smaller arm. I've got a ton of stickers, which is good. Some companies never give you any stickers or swag. Like, you'll spend a bunch of money with them. Like, all us Jeep guys, we spend lots of money. We know we do, right? And sometimes the companies that you buy from, they won't give you anything. Like nothing. It's crazy. Good God. Okay, so this must be the grandbaby of it all here. Oh, yep, that is definitely the grandbaby of it all. Here is the whole system that goes on the actual. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Just beautiful. I cannot wait to install this. Look, they even give you a screwdriver. That's awesome. I wonder if there's no 3M stuff. I haven't really looked at the system to be going to hospital. If there's no 3M, maybe I can install it even if it's freezing out. I don't have to worry about anything trying. All right. That was a lot of stuff in a box. Okay. Unboxing over.